Hi guys, hope you're well. We are about to make the most delicious chicken recipe. It's fantastic, healthy, and it's a brilliant midweek meal. Prepared in Morocco for feasts and marriage occasions and called Deghmira. Let's get cracking on with the recipe. For the ingredients, we will need 3 chickens each weighing 2 kg, well washed with lemon and kept in the refrigerator for at least 1 whole night. Parsley, pickled lemon, teaspoon of saffron, chicken liver, the chicken's necks sliced into small pieces, 30 garlic pieces, half spoon of pepper, salt, tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon and a half of curcuma, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. We crush parsley and garlic. In a salad bowl, add the pepper, the pickled lemon, and the spices. We mix everything. The livers, the necks, and the chickens are rubbed with this charmoula mixture and left a whole night. The next day in a pot, we cook our chicken with the chicken's necks on a soft fire. Add a glass of olive oil and table oil mixed on the chicken. As soon as it starts to brown, we make holes using a skewer. We pour about 1.5 liters of water, always on a low fire. We cover it and leave it for about 15 minutes. We take a quantity of 3 kg of onion. After peeling it, we grind it. We crush parsley and garlic. After 15 minutes, we move the chickens around. Now a bowl of crushed onion is added from the 3 kg of onion. Now after 40 minutes, add a spoon of margarine and leave the chickens uncovered for 10 minutes. Return it so that the other side gets brownish. After 10 minutes, we raise the chicken with a skimmer and place it in a baking tray. The remaining onion must be added to the remaining sauce and the chicken next. We add a spoon of parsley and crushed garlic and leave them on the fire. Now when the chicken is chilled, it must be rubbed with a mixture of chili and the oil. Now we move around our sauce until the amount of liquid is reduced. We add the chicken's livers and leave it on fire. And our sauce is cooked. Some olive is added and the peels of the pickled lemon. Now the chickens must be rotated in the oven. We place it in the dish to be served like this. And of course, the most important thing when you eat djaj بالدغميرة is don't watch it, eat it. That, my friend, is a thing of joy.